Hey guys, this is Ben with Aussie Linux Tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Easycap DC60 driver. Basically how to set it up, record with video and audio using 3 different programs. Right, so first thing you're going to need to do is type in Easycap Linux drivers. Alright, it should be the second or third link down, but click on the SourceForge link. Click on Download Now. Alright, I recommend saving it to the home folder, so once you've done that, save it, extract it, and read the README file intensively. Basically, that README file will provide you with a whole bunch of tips and a step-by-step way to install the program. Alright, so once you've installed it, if you actually had any problems, then just inbox me. But the main problem seems to be that it says the device is busy, the audio device. And to combat that, either unplug your webcam if you have one plugged in, or type in the command kill all pulse audio, which should fix all your problems. Alright, so the way that you can tell if your device is installed is you're going to want to plug in your Easycap device, go into Places, Computer, File System, Dev, and then look for a file around the lines of Easycap 1. It can also be Easycap 0 depending on your configuration. Alright, so once you know your device is installed, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways on how to record the footage captured by the Easycap using a program called MPlayer, Mencoder, and Cheese. Alright, so once you've started, booted up the game system and plugged everything in, then you can go to the program called Cheese Webcam Booth. You can get it off Ubuntu Software Center by typing in the word cheese. Right, so once you've downloaded Cheese Webcam Booth, open it up from the Sound and Video tab, and then you shouldn't have to actually choose the device, but it should capture it automatically. So look here, that's my PS2 input right there, so you can switch to the Video tab and click Start Recording. Unfortunately, Cheese will not display the output of the audio, so you'll just have to bear with it and play the game without sound. But now anyways, we're going to look at the final result. Now, you may have noticed that there was no sound on that video, and that's because we forgot to do one fatal step. Alright, first click on Applications, Ubuntu Software Center, type in PiTiVi, and then download this first thing here, Pulse Audio Volume Control. Once PiTiVi is installed, go into Sound and Video, and then open up Pulse Audio Volume Control. And as you can see here, the FFmpeg, the program I'm using to record, is capturing the audio from my webcam. Right, if we want to change that, we can just do this. As you can see here, we can select all of these, and I'll be showing you which each of them does.
Alright, okay, stay tight, let's go.
Alright, as you could have seen there, if you click to record from USB 2.0 video capture controller analog mono, or it could also be called Easycap, then that will record directly from your Easycap, from your Easycap input. That's the same as Cheese. If you click on the recording tab, then Cheese should be in there as well. So you can just change this accordingly to record from whatever you want. Monitor of internal audio analog stereo will basically record whatever's on the screen. Webcam here, which I'm using now, is recording from my webcam, and of course I've already explained the Easycap setting. So that's how you can record using the PiTiVi control. Alright, now you've worked out how to use PiTiVi control to determine where the audio is captured from. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the bare bones minimum program MPlayer to basically display your output so you can record it with a different application, and then you can get a varying amount of streams. Alright, this is the first script. This will probably make your computer run slow, so I don't recommend using it. This will basically display the output sound as well as displaying the output video. And notice here this little segment here called plughw.2,0. Basically that's telling the program to record from my sound card, or the Easycap internal sound card. The way to find out what version yours is by typing in ls-l/proc/asound. And if we zoom up here, we can see that it shows us all these cards here. Now you want to look for controller or Easycap or something like that, and basically that will tell us that we need to use card free. So let's change that accordingly. So it says plughw, dot 3,0. Alright, copy that now. Make sure that this device matches yours. So for instance, Easycap 0 or 1. Alright, now let's copy it. But first I need to play around with Pulse for a second.
Tough guy.
The no sound command is basically the same, but it will play the video without sound. So if you can get this to work and it will run fine on your system, that's good, and that way you'll be able to hear the audio and also record it at the same time. You can also use PiVu control to set the... Actually, an easier way is to go to Preferences, Sound, Hardware, set the webcam to default, like so, and then just use Sound Recorder to record the audio tracks separately. Alright, so that's that out of the way. If you want to use the even more ghetto version, then use the Mencoder command, which can be found in the video description. Basically all you have to do is just copy that into the terminal, like as usual, and basically that will record, but you won't be able to see the output. So again, I wouldn't recommend using that method. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed me making this tutorial.